hide our hands.
Oh, you know this song, don't you? All right, hi DECC. Max and I want to share a song with you guys called Two Little Red Birds. And this is a finger play song, so get your fingers ready to play with us. Here we go. Two little red birds sitting on a hill, one named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, come back, Jill. Two little red birds sitting on a hill, one named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, come back, Jill. Two little red birds sitting on a cloud, one named Soft and one named Loud. Fly away, loud, come back, loud. Two little red birds sitting on a cloud, one named Soft and one named Loud. Fly away, loud.
Is like this. And like
Come back loud. Was that too loud? Two little red birds sitting in the snow. One best. And one named Slow. Fly away fast. Fly away slow. Come on fast. Come back slow. Two little red birds sitting in the snow. What a best! And